Good day. Today we're working on a 2002 VF750C Magna. It's a V4. It's had a problem with its rectifier regulator, which is located just underneath here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's already been changed. I just want to go over a few things with you. Originally what happened was I was riding down the road and could smell something really, really bad, like rotten eggs coming from the motorcycle. So right away I knew it was battery. So I got it home, and sure enough, the battery was cooked. And the reason the battery was cooked was because the regulator wasn't regulating the voltage that was going into it. So it basically boiled itself to death. So after changing the battery to confirm it was the regulator, what I did was I started it up and took a voltage reading, DC voltage reading across the terminals. Once I started it, brought it up to 3,000 RPM. And the voltage readings went through the roof. It was, we were pushing 16 and a half volts, which this battery cannot do. I mean, because we know it's 12 volts, right? So that was a confirmation that it was the regulator. So after changing the battery and the regulator, redid the wiring harness, put some dielectric grease in there. I also checked the stator, and that's something you should do too. So all I did was I did a continuity test. So on this model of tester, it'll actually make an audible sound when your continuity is good. And all that is all that's checking is there's little copper windings that are on your stator, and that's what makes the charge, just like a generator or an alternator in your car. And the protective coating that's on there, when it gets too hot, it'll melt off, and then you'll get a short. Two pieces of copper will touch together, and you'll get a short, and it'll burn everything out, and you'll have melted wires and all the other crap. So I mean, you don't want that. So after you get it in, you want to start it up. You're going to bring it up to 3,000 RPMs, and you should get between 14.5 and 14.8 volts once you bring it up to about 3,000 RPMs. If it goes over 15, you know that the regulator's not doing its job. It's letting too much voltage in, and then you would cook your battery again. But anyways, I hope it's been helpful for you, and have a good day, and keep the throttle cranked. 10-4.